The crow is smarter than you imagine. Secrets of the bird that preceded humans in intelligence. When the raven is mentioned, a black bird associated with superstitions, death, and bad luck comes to mind. But behind this gloomy appearance hides one of the smartest creatures known to planet Earth. A bird that was able to solve complex puzzles, use tools, remember faces, and plan for the future, and even understand social relationships in a way that amazes scientists. The story of the raven. It is not just a bird's tale, but an amazing testimony that intelligence may appear in the most forms that we underestimate. A small brain with giant capabilities. Although the crow's brain is small compared to mammals, the ratio of its size to its body is very large, which gives it high cognitive abilities, and scientists have discovered that the crow's brain contains advanced areas similar to those found in primates such as chimpanzees, and this explains its ability to think logically, plan, and solve complex problems. The crow that makes tools is one of the most exciting discoveries, as crows can make tools themselves. Crows have been observed bending wires and turning them into hooks to pick up food from narrow places. And they also use sticks and leaves to reach insects inside tree trunks. This ability was not previously attributed except to humans and some great apes, solving multi-step puzzles in amazing scientific experiments. Food was placed inside a box that could only be accessed through a series of consecutive steps. The crow had to pull a stick to reach a longer stick, then use it to reach the food. The crows succeeded in solving these puzzles without prior training, which indicates a real causal understanding and not just imitation. An unforgettable memory. Crows possess an amazing memory for human faces, and studies have shown that they can remember people who have wronged them or threatened them, even after many years. Not only that, but they warn the rest of the crows about these people through special calls. So the hated individual turns into a collective enemy. Collective revenge. One of the strangest behaviors of the crow is its ability to organize revenge. If one of the crows is harmed, other crows may gather to attack the aggressor or harass him repeatedly. Cases have been recorded in which crows continued to attack a specific person whenever they saw him in the area, as if they held a long-term grudge. Complex language and an organized society. The crows do not make random sounds, but they have a diverse communication system used for warning, coordination, courtship, and expressing emotions. The crow lives within communities that have a clear social hierarchy and cooperate in obtaining food and defending the area, and even caring for the young. The crow knows deception. Intelligence is not complete without deception, and crows are excellent at that. If it hides its food and feels that another crow is watching it, it later returns and moves the food to a new place. And when no one is watching it, it does not do that, which indicates its ability to perceive the intentions of others and plan for the future. In recent experiments, crows were given tools that could be used later to obtain food, and after a long period of time, the crows kept the correct tool and ignored the useless tools, which indicates their ability to plan and delay gratification, a skill that was considered exclusive to humans. Complex social relationships. The crows form friendships and alliances within the group, and crows that are not related by family may cooperate to achieve a common goal, and they grieve when they lose one of their members, and stay near the body for a long time in a behavior that resembles farewell rituals, superstitions, and historical injustice. Over the ages, the raven has been associated with death and destruction because of its color and its behavior in feeding on carrion, but this unjust image ignored its important environmental role in cleaning nature and preventing the spread of diseases, as it ignored its exceptional intelligence that far surpasses many of the animals that we consider superior. Lessons from the raven. The crow teaches us that appearance does not reflect essence, and that intelligence is not measured by shape or size, and that the being we despise may carry a brilliant mind capable of what we sometimes fail to do. The raven is not an ominous bird as the myths portrayed it, but a brilliant mind clad in black feathers, watching the world with intelligent eyes, learning, remembering, planning, and perhaps laughing silently at the human's contempt for it.